This is another Paw Patrol Chase Key ride. Yeah, I wasn't really gonna film this today, but you know what? I'm gonna film this again because I just like this ride, if you're wondering. And I don't think the other video was a really good one the last time I videoed this on my camcorder. So yeah, I'm gonna get the announcements before you ask.
Parent or guardian. Hello, would you like
and then
to
we'll
have
start.
a go? Go on,
I'm gonna try and make
try
this video 4 minutes to be honest with you.
For further information about our rides,
just gonna get the announcements
Rules
first.
and Leisure on 0113
We'll start.
3803. This ride will accept 10p,
I'm probably not gonna film
20p, 50p, £1 and £2
I guess
coins.
SpongeBob.
In
I
any
don't
order.
think I have enough time.
Change is not given.
I'll try. We'll see. Maybe after the chase. We'll see how it goes. I'm not 100% sure. No Marshall. Already had to go, thank
Go on, have a go.
Oh, come on.
Children
For some reason, it's on my
using
unresponsive
should be
mode.
supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like
This
to
place I want to have a go, thank you, Novelisha. Transformers is going off. Surprised this car still works, but oh well. Because I think the last time I videoed this, because I did it with 3 rides, that's why I'm going to do this again, by the way. Same with Marshall. Even though Marshall has no eyes for some reason. But oh well. We're just waiting for the countdown message if you're wondering. For some reason it doesn't say the price. I'm not sure why. For some weird reason. You don't take coins, Novelisha. What were you thinking? Yeah, the countdown message was starting. The ride will start shortly, I believe. There we go. I knew it. Kind of knew that, to be fair. Oh, the speaker. Babylon Novelisha in 2017 or 2018. Unlicensed to Nickelodeon Spin Master Limited. Yeah, I'm not going to film Transformers. You know why? Because I filmed it before. I think the volume sounds clear on this, to be fair. You just wanted to get the announcements first. Marshall's going off. Y'all just heard Marshall going off, by the way. Yeah, it shows the Marshall next to each other. What's going on? It still doesn't flash, unfortunately. Don't know why. They couldn't bother to get it flashed. I like how the lights flash on this. Yeah, sorry about that. It's just something was annoying me. There's the back of it. Yeah, I think there's a right payment code on the back. If you can see. Yeah, that was a Novelisha Paw Patrol Chases police car kiddie ride.